I'm trying to get him to stop. I'm trying to get him to stop. Fuck, because I know Jordan's going to turn on his PVR.
I love you guys.
We love you too, man. Oh, damn, that's funny. God, fuck, dude. I'm about to rage quit, God.
Wait, can Ashley hear you through your TV?
Me love you long time, Ashley. Oh my God!
Oh wow.
Jordan, if you're recording, this has to be uploaded today. What happens when jixta gets the hiccups? God damn it!
Funniest hiccups ever.
I know. It fucking hurts too. It feels like my stomach's coming out my nose. Whew. I think they're done. Holy God. That is horrible. Fuck. Well, I haven't sneezed in a minute, so I'm assuming that, yes, I'm okay.
You probably ate that bread too fast.
Nah, that was fucking